Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Good. Happy and healthy? Okay, that's needed. Okay. So today again we are going to continue our chapter number 6, plants, and today is day 4. Okay. Day 4 of the chapter, that is chapter 6, plants. Okay. So before going to the topic, we will be learning the today's learning objective of the class. Okay, so today again we have the two learning objective of the class. The very first one, to learn about different types of leaves, and the second is to observe and examine leaves of different plants. Okay, different plants, पहले different type of leaves के बारे में हम जानेंगे. leaves का के स्ट्रक्चर को पहले हम देखेंगे, उसका कैसा होता है लीफ, वो हम देखेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी ऑब्जर्विंग एंड एग्जामिनिंग डिफरेंट लीव्स. ओके, बहुत सारे लीव्स आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हो, उसको एग्जामिन कर सकते हो, और एग्जामिन करने का 4 कैटेगरीज है दैट आई विल बी टेलिंग यू एंड डिस्कसिंग यू. ओके, सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज लीव्स. लीव्स का मतलब पत्तियाँ. तो पत्तियाँ कहाँ होती हैं? दैट इज ऑन प्लांट्स. ओके, प्लांट्स में लीव्स होती है ना, दैट इज द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस देयर एंड ऑक्सीजन वहीं पे बनता है, लीव्स से बनता है, एंड फूड भी प्लांट के लिए और एनिमल्स के लिए लीव्स में ही बनता है. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस लीव. ओके, आप लोग सब ने बहुत लीव देखी है, ठीक है. So today we will be talking about this leaf, and we will be knowing the different type of leaves. Okay, so now a leaf, we have to see that size, shape, texture, edge. Okay, so in leaf we will first see size. So this is a medium size. Okay, banana leaves are really big leaves. Okay, but this we can consider as a big leaf also. Okay, this is the size हम देखेंगे. Size is big, we will say this is a big leaf. Okay, but when we come to this leaves, see, this one is a small leaf, very small leaf. Okay, so we will be talking about this. Then we have the shape. How is the shape? See, it's, अगर हम इसको देखें तो दिस इज लाइक ओवल इन शेप. ओके, इट्स ओवल इन शेप. ओके, विल बी राइटिंग फॉर दिस ओवल शेप. ओके, शेप देखेंगे, इसका भी अपने मैथ्स में शेप किया है ना. यू कैन रिलेट द शेप एंड देन यू से दैट व्हाट इज द शेप. हियर आई एम टेलिंग दिस इज अ ऑलमोस्ट ओवल शेप, ओवल इन शेप. ओके, देन वी हैव द टेक्सचर. जब हम एक लीफ को टच करेंगे, now I am touching the leaf, you also please touch at your home, find some leaves and touch the surface. Okay, when we touch, what type of surface? Is it rough? Is it smooth? So this leaf is having a smooth surface, so I'll write here, I'll tell this one is having the smooth surface. Okay, बहुत ही smooth है इसका surface. And then we will find the edge, what type of edge or margin is there. So this portion is called the margin. This is called the margin of the leaf or edge of the leaf. Okay, so here we can find that leaf edge is also almost smooth only. Sometimes we can find the edge. Okay, now you see another leaf I have. Okay, here you can see that the edge is so here we can say that teeth-like structure is there. Teeth-like leaf के margin से निकल रहे हैं. So we'll say this one is a toothed edge. Okay, so we can find two type of here. This one is smooth. This one is smooth. But when we come to this one is having tooth-like structure. So we'll be saying toothed structure. Okay, so now we have to make a sheet, A4 sheet. On that very first we will go for the nature walk. This time I am not going to take you for nature walk. You will go to your nearby park. Okay, वहाँ पे लीफ फॉलन होती है ना, मेनी लीव्स मस्ट हैव फॉलन ऑन द ग्राउंड. they are not dried up, but they are fallen, like such type of leaves you will get. Okay, they are not totally dried up. Okay, so इस तरह के leaves आप ले आएंगे, and then on A4 sheet you will be making the these boxes. Okay, and how many leaves you can get? I have made only 2. Okay, but you will be making you will be getting many types of leaf, many different type of leaf. You can write the name also, like if I am taking this and I will paste over here, and here I will write hibiscus plant plant leaf, or I will say that this is a China rose leaf. Okay, China rose plants leaf. Okay, and only write the name of the plant. Okay, then size, what the size is. Okay, अगर इसको मैं वहाँ पेस्ट करती हूँ, then here I will paste this, and then size I will write. So what is the size? Size I will write big. Okay, then here shape. This is a almost oval in shape, so I will write here oval in shape. Okay, and then texture. This texture, this is smooth in texture, so I will write texture smooth, and then the edge. The last column I have made is edge. Okay, so this edge is toothed one, so I will write here toothed edge. Okay, so so children, like this you have to paste your leaf over here. Then you have to write the name of the plant. Here I have written for hibiscus and the lemon leaf. Okay, here I have taken a big leaf, I have taken a small leaf. I have not taken banana leaf or coconut leaf. Banana leaf या coconut leaf बहुत बड़े होते हैं, they are very big leaves. Okay, so that we cannot take also for pasting because we have to make on a A4 sheet. Okay, so this hibiscus we have seen that this is a big, and this is oval in shape, and then the texture, like how the surface is. This is smooth, and then we have the toothed edge that I explained you. Okay, now we come to the lemon leaf. This is very small. Okay, small we have written, and oval in shape. Then smooth surface is there, and the edge is also smooth. I had shown you all these leaves. Okay, so now you see this leaf. This one is the shape is elongated, surface is smooth. This is a small leaf only, and the edge is also small. Okay, smooth. Then we have another one. This one is a medium size. We will write this one medium size, and then this leaf is having the rough surface. Okay, जब मैं इसको छू रही हूँ तो rough लग रहा है, तो surface is rough. Okay, then we can see the veins also coming out, so it's a very rough surface. Okay, and now this edge is wavy. Edge is there, wave like structure is there, so we'll say wavy edge. Okay, so like this you have to find out how many leaves you can find in your park, and then you just find what is the shape, size, texture and edge of the leaf. See, here I have another one. You can take the peepal, banyan tree also. This one is a heart shape. This leaf is heart shape, and this is having the toothed edge also. Surface is a little rough, and this is a small leaf. Okay, so like this you have to make a chart on A4 sheet and send the pictures to me. Okay, now we will be reading about the leaves. Okay, so children, we are going to add 2 more columns in this table, and that will be the color and aroma also. Okay, so we will be taking the leaf, name of the plant or plant. Okay, size, shape, texture, edge, color and aroma. So till edge I have explained you. Here we will be seeing that this leaf is having yellow color, so I will write yellow color only. Generally when it is on the plant, it is green in color. And then we have no aroma. There is no aroma in this leaves. कोई भी स्मेल नहीं होता है. aroma का मतलब होता है सुगंध. ओके, इसमें कोई स्मेल नहीं है. Okay, now lemon leaf, we will see that it is green in color, and yes, the aroma is there for these leaves. Okay. So children, see here on page number 70 we have the leaves. The topic is leaves. Okay, पत्तियों के बारे में अभी हम पढ़ेंगे. Leaves are one of the most important part of the plant. They are called the kitchen of the plant. This is because leaves prepare food for the entire plant. Leaves use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and a special green color pigment called chlorophyll to make their food. Chlorophyll is always present in the leaves. It gives the leaves its green color. Leaves are of different size, shape, texture and color. They make the plants look different from each other. Okay, now we will see this size. Okay, about the this paragraph I will explain you after some time. Okay, size. Some leaves are big in size while others are small in size. We can see here banana leaves, they are big. Coconut leaf, they are also big. Tulsi leaves, they are small. Okay, coriander leaves, जो धनिया के पत्ते होते हैं, they are also small in size. Okay, now we have the shape. Leaves come in a variety of shape. That is people leaves, a heart shape, palm leaf, fan shape, maple leaf, hand shape, then fir leaf, that is needle shape. Okay, पाइन के भी needle shape होते हैं. Next we will be reading about the texture. Okay, leaves can have smooth or rough surface or texture. When we touch it, we feel the softness and roughness. Okay, so here jade plant leaf is there, smooth in texture. Then we have mint leaf, rough in texture. मिंट लीफ को टच करके आप देखना, आपको रफ लगेगा. ठीक है, सरफेस को. बैम्बू लीव्स, दे आर रफ इन टेक्सचर. देन वी हैव द पम्पकिन लीव्स, दे आर ऑल्सो रफ इन टेक्सचर. ओके, नाउ वी हैव द एज और मार्जिन. द लीफ मार्जिन डिफर फ्रॉम वन प्लांट टू अनदर. while some leaves have sharp edge, some have smooth or spiny edge. Okay, so here we have the hibiscus leaf. This is having a toothed edge. Then mango leaf, this is having a entire edge. And then oak leaf, this is having lobed edge, lobes बने हुए हैं ना, that. एलो वेरा लीफ, दिस इज हैविंग अ स्पाइनी एज. ओके, एलोवेरा प्लांट देखोगे तो आपको स्पाइनी एज दिखाई देगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल टर्न एंड कम टू पेज नंबर 72. we can see the color also. Now we see color. Most leaves are green in color, but some leaves are of different color, such as orange, purple or red. So money plant, that is that money plant leaf, it is green in color. Okay, कैलेडियम लीफ, आप कैलेडियम जो इंडोर प्लांट होता है शो के लिए, उसके लीफ को देखोगे, दैट इज मैक्सिमम ऑफ ग्रीन एंड रेड. ओके, देन वी हैव द मैपल लीफ. मैपल लीफ इज ऑरेंज इन कलर. देन क्रोटोन मल्टी कलर. आपके घर में अगर क्रोटोन होगा तो यू कैन सी द येलो, रेड, ब्राउन कलर ऑन द प्लांट. ओके, प्लांट लीफ, सॉरी. देन अरोमा, स्मेल. स्मेल भी आपको पता चल सकती है, तो अभी हम करेंगे. सम लीव्स हैव अ डिफरेंट स्मेल और अरोमा ऑफ देयर ओन. वी कैन स्मेल द अरोमा बाय क्रशिंग देम बिटवीन आवर फिंगर्स. ओके, सो हम अरोमा भी पता कर सकते हैं. नाउ तुलसी लीफ, आप सब तुलसी लीफ खाते हो और उसको जानते हो कि वो कैसी होती है. ठीक है, उसका टेस्ट भी पता है एंड द अरोमा ऑल्सो, उसके स्मेल कैसी आती है वो भी आपको पता है. ठीक है, देन मिंट लीफ, वो तो आपको पता ही है, मिंट लीफ की अरोमा मिंट जैसी है. कोरिएंडर लीव्स की मिंट की अरोमा आती है. देन बे लीव्स, जो तेज पत्ता होता है ना, उसके लीव्स के लिए है. ठीक है, after this we will be doing let's try 4. Be an artist. Trace along the dotted lines of these design. Collect different varieties of fallen leaves and try to paste them on these pictures to make the देम ब्यूटीफुल। सो यहाँ पे 2 पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं। आप पार्क में जाओगे, वहाँ फॉलन लीव्स को कलेक्ट करोगे और उसको पेस्ट करके इन ड्राइंग के जैसा ही बना दोगे, ठीक है। ओके, so this is your work, you have to do it. This I will consider as a homework only, you do it as a homework only. Let's again move to the board. So children, now we'll be learning the importance of leaf. Okay, the leaves are really important. They give the oxygen, they prepare the food also. Okay, so leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Leaf is called the kitchen of the plant because in the presence of sunlight, they take the carbon dioxide, they take water. Okay, carbon dioxide plus water, and they prepare the food for the entire plant, and they give oxygen also. This food is stored in the plant in the form of fruits, and that we eat. Okay, so it's not only preparing the food for the plant, it's preparing the food for us also, the human beings also. So that is why plants are important. So now you know one thing, why leaves appear green in color. Why leaves appears green in color? Because they have chlorophyll, they have a pigment. लीफ के अंदर एक पिगमेंट होता है, एक छोटे छोटे ग्रेन्यूल्स होते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड द क्लोरोफिल. दे आर कॉल्ड द क्लोरोफिल. सो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इन द क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट के अंदर में एक प्रोसेस होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, फोटोसिंथेसिस जो है वो एक प्रोसेस है दैट हैपेंस इन क्लोरोफिल. इट हैपेंस इन क्लोरोफिल. In the presence of sunlight, plant takes carbon dioxide, water, and prepares the oxygen and food for the entire living things. Plants are living things, human beings are living things. So entire living thing. Okay. So this is the importance of the leaf that we should know. Okay. After this, we will be doing my turn 4. Here you have to trace these leaves. You have to color these leaves, and then you have to find out कि which plant they belong. Okay, कौन से plant की ये leaves हैं. Same goes for these two also. You have to do it. Okay, so do this. This is your homework. Okay. With this I am completing today's class. So in today's class we have learned about the leaf. Leaves are important. Very first, how we can recognize a leaf, how we can what we will find out the leaf. So very first we have learned about the size, then shape, then texture, then edge, then color, and then aroma or smell. After that we have come to know that leaves are called the kitchen of the plant, and because in the presence of sunlight they take carbon dioxide, water, and prepare oxygen and food in a pigment called chlorophyll, which is a green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in leaf of a plant. Okay. So with this I hope you understood. If you have any problem you can ask me, and the process of making food is called photosynthesis. Okay, the process of making food is called photosynthesis. So with this I am completing this class. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and be healthy, be happy. Have a nice day.